Hey guys, welcome to Top Tech. The first product on our list is this mini rechargeable desk lamp. Now this is a really cool looking lamp that has a built-in battery. You have 3 color modes and adjustable brightness, along with the fact that the head of the lamp can move in any direction. So you can bend it to tilt the light forward and get more light in a certain area, or just point the light towards a certain direction. The light is rechargeable or can be run directly from the cable itself. The cable is included inside the box. After being fully charged, the lamp will provide light for about 4 to 5 hours depending on the level of brightness you keep the lamp at. A really cool accessory. Not only does it look good, but it's quite practical to use. Definitely go check this out. Everything listed in this video will be linked in the description below, so you can go check out those links for any of the products that you may like. And if you enjoy Top Tech videos, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification icon with all notifications turned on so that you get notified next time a Top Tech video goes live. Let's move on to the next product. This is a really compact, portable, universal stand for smartphones as well as tablets. This device is extremely lightweight, inexpensive, and folds away into a really compact form factor. Once you open it up, it can hold large tablets or even tiny smartphones. This is a really useful tool to have, especially if you have a lot of devices in the house. Despite its relatively low price, the build quality is quite nice and all the edges and tips are rubberized to protect your devices. A worthy accessory to have in the house. Go check it out, links are in the description below. The next product on our list is this awesome tech toolkit. Now this is a really cool device to have, especially if you're into technology or have a lot of gadgets. This, first and foremost, is a wireless charger, and it supports up to 15 watts of wireless charging. So you can lay it flat on the desk, connect it via a USB-C cable, and charge your phone or any device that supports wireless charging. You can also prop it up, and it also doubles up as a phone stand while you're wirelessly charging your device or without wirelessly charging your device. Once you open it up, on the inside you'll see several accessories that can come in handy for day-to-day usage, especially if you have a lot of gadgets. So I have a USB-C to Lightning connector for iOS devices. You also have a USB-C to micro USB connector, along with a compact USB-C to USB-C cable. You also have a standard USB-A to USB-C adapter, along with 2 slots to hold your SIM cards and a SIM tool. On the side of the device is also a micro SD card reader, so you can directly connect this via USB-C to your computer or laptop and then read micro SD cards. And then you also have a built-in flashlight. A really versatile tool with lots of accessories and capabilities, and a worthy addition to any tech bag. Definitely go check this out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is this plug-and-play 8-bit gaming console. Now, this compact gaming console has 628-bit games on there, and you have all your favorite games on this device. It simply plugs in via a USB port on your television, and then you can connect the included video and audio cables directly into your TV, and you have an instant retro gaming console. And then you do get 2 wireless controllers that do take 2 AAA batteries, and the game stick or the gaming console itself is really compact, so you can simply plug it into your television and sort of forget about it. And you have access to a lot of games that do work on modern televisions as well. You can also play these on a 4K TV. Of course, you're still getting the old graphics, but you have all your gaming favorites in there, and you will have a blast, especially if you have 2 people who've enjoyed these games in the past. You can have a blast playing some of these games. A really, really good accessory to get, and it definitely adds to the living room experience. Go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is an organization accessory. This is a Powerstrip clamp for your desk. Now, this is a really cool accessory if you want to organize your cables and want to make some power ports available to you right on your desk. This simply clamps on your desk and gives you an additional power strip right in front of you. It holds the power strip securely, and it makes it easy for you to plug in and unplug devices instead of looking for a socket on the wall. It is built out of metal, is extremely well made, and it is painted in this white color. You also have a cable organization clip on the back, so you can route your cables through that as well. The clamp is also fairly large, so no matter how thick your tabletop is, it should easily fix on top of it. It is well made. It is slightly expensive for what it does, but the quality and the capability more than makes up for it. Definitely go check it out if you're looking for something like this. The next product on our list is this foldable laptop and tablet stand. Now, this is a portable laptop and tablet stand that can fit devices from 8 inches all the way up to 15.6 inches. This does have a fold flat design, and once open does give you an ergonomic angle to make it easier to type. The bottom also does have rubber grips so that your device doesn't slide when on the stand, and then you do have ventilation holes to allow for air pass through. A really inexpensive device to get, especially if you're working from home using laptops a lot. This gives you a nice typing typing angle and a little bit of height to the screen of your laptop. Definitely go check this out. The next product on our list is this Japanese StapleLess Stapler. Now this is a 10-sheet binding stapler that uses an origami technique to fold in your paper without needing to use staples. Not only is this great for the environment, but also looks really cool if you're submitting a presentation or any document which has been stapled like this. If you're like me and like eclectic stationery, this is definitely worth checking out. Now guys, as a reminder, if you're enjoying Top Tech so far, don't forget to smash the like button if you haven't, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so that we can get to 100,000 subscribers really quickly. Let's move on to the next product. This is a smartphone vlogging mirror. Now this is a really cool accessory that is really inexpensive, but this is basically a convex mirror that attaches just next to your smartphone cameras and allows you to get a viewfinder or a view of what your camera is looking at. This makes it easy to vlog with the main cameras of your phone, which are basically the best cameras, and also allows you to position yourself without needing a second person to tell you whether or not your framing is correct. If you like making videos from your phone or like clicking pictures on your phone, this is a great accessory to get because your selfie game can also be enhanced because now you'll be using the main cameras. You can also get lots of good depth effects and features that typically the rear cameras have now with your main selfie shots. A worthy accessory for the price that it is available at. Definitely go check this out. The next product on our list is this unique phone clamp and stand. This compact accessory works as a stand for your phone. You can keep it on your desk so that you get a phone holder of sorts, but it also has a built-in clamp, so you can clamp it on the edge of your desk. The top of this is rotatable and twistable, so you can get it in both portrait and landscape modes. The good thing about the clamp is that it is universally useful, so you can also clamp it on top of your laptop screen or even on a tray in an airplane. A really cool accessory, gives you a lot of versatility. It's really well made and holds the phone tight. It also opens up all the way up to 96 millimeters, so it'll hold a wide variety of smartphones, including the larger phones available today. A really good clamp / stand. If you're looking for something like this, definitely go check this out. And it also folds away into a compact size, so you can put it in your bag and sort of forget about it. Now, next product on our list is our battle-tested, severely used Xiaomi precision screwdriver set. Now, as you can see from the looks of it, we have been using it for years, and this has lasted us through the thick and thin of using a screwdriver. Not only are the bits magnetic, they're also anti-rust, and they're made out of a really high quality metal that is hard anodized to give it a really nice texture and feel. They are cold to the touch while using, but the magnetic tips and the compact form factor make it really useful, especially to use around our office and studio. We've used these over the years, and especially comes in useful while building a PC or assembling or disassembling things around the office. A worthy toolkit for the price, offers about 24 bits. So definitely go check this out. We've been using it for years, as you can see from the looks of it. Now that's not all. We do have a bonus item for you, and it's a little different this time around. We are talking about these wood-made shoe trees. Now these shoe trees are available in different sizes for the size of your shoe, and these sort of fit into your shoe and allow them to retain form. But the good thing about these is they're made out of cedar wood, and cedar wood is a natural moth repellent and an antibacterial wood. So not only does it freshen up your shoes, but also helps them retain form. Now this is great for old shoes that have lost their form, but also great for keeping your new shoes looking new for a long period of time. Definitely go check this out because this is something that is highly recommended, and I'm going to be buying more of these to use for my shoes. That completes our list for Top Tech this time around, and we wish you guys a happy new year 2022. If you've been enjoying Top Tech so far, we'll be seeing you in the next year. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.